Now to a Bloomberg scoop. The era of big paychecks for Chinese, investment bankers and financiers is fast coming to an end as big companies impose strict new limits to comply with President Xi Jinping's Common Prosperity campaign. Let's get to our Greater China senior executive editor, John Liu, joining us now from Beijing with that story. So certainly we're hearing this, from in terms of the bonuses, in terms of pay caps here right now. What more do we know at this point, John?
What we know is that the cap that's been put in place is about 2.9 million yuan. It's about 400,000 US dollars on an annual basis before tax. We know that conglomerates, including China Merchants, China Everbright Group, China CITIC, they've been telling some of their employees that they will not be making more than that cap, that any bonuses that they were owed over that amount will not be paid. And some of those employees are even being asked to return some of the pay that was in excess of that amount from previous years. So overall, not a happy situation for the people at those banks.
And John, I'm wondering what this might mean for either retaining or attracting talent, for one.
I think it'll make it very difficult. I think it is worth noting that all of these institutions are state-owned. These caps, these limits on pay, as we understand right now, apply to state-owned enterprises. There are state-owned financial institutions. So there are hedge funds, there are other foreign multinationals that are going to be out in the market looking to build their pipeline of talent. So it does spell difficulties ahead for these state-owned institutions. But at the same time, I think banker pay is always an issue, even all the more so when times are tough. And so it would not be a huge surprise if some of these more private, other institutions in the private sector come under pressure as well.